Here are illustrations by Gene Watson to improve the conventional jet engine, getting rid of the gas turbine. Disadvantages of the conventional jet engine. The gas turbine cannot handle LPG, methane, etc. Gas burns, so a lower burn, kerosene, JP fuel, jet fuel, is used. The gas turbine lowers exhaust velocity. All the blades spinning in the same direction creates undesired gyroscopic effects. Here is the improved drawing. No gas turbine. Hole in the plug nozzle is jet exhaust. Higher ISP specific impulse. Higher burn temperature. Plug nose, plug nozzle, aerospike motor rocket. Kicks in after plane reaches the stratosphere. All sections counter-rotate. How? What drives all sections? Why I built the test motor. To prove the gas turbine can be eliminated. Will the substitute driver be powerful enough? Even more powerful. Why? After orbital, plasma motor kicks in for pushing the spaceship into higher orbit into interplanetary, like going from Earth to the moon. Here's the second page, showing the details and answering those questions. It can be done with electric motors faster, results with rocket burn canisters. And there's an illustration of the improved jet engine. He says, or methane H2 ox, pointing to where the fuel goes into the jet engine. It says, rich burn lowers combustion temps. Rich burn lowers combustion temps. Or methane, primary burn, rocket burn canisters. Electric motor to drive the LOX, liquid fuel, pump for the rocket burn canisters. He points and it says H2OX, oxygen, or methane. And then on the other side, it has secondary burn, quite hot, 4,500 degrees. Precision work reduces leaking within workability. Little leak gets sucked into the flow air. Counter rotates at the bottom. Central shaft, then we look at a little illustration on the lower corner. Central shaft doesn't rotate. Bearings. Hollow, non-rotating. Shaft cooled to reduce heating of bearings, and hard to make out what's underneath that. Disc in the center. Air, turbine blades, and he points to another illustration. Rocket turbine blades. Shaft support, both ends. Shaft support, both ends. Caloric reflectors, burn here. 3 ventrili vane intermix. Why? To protect the air. Fan from 4,500 degrees. Here. Proportions computer generated. Then he has an illustration to the far right. Space very small between counter-rotating sections. Aerospike hole exit. So the back page, one illustration leads to another illustration, and that leads to another illustration showing you all 3 dimensions of this improved jet aircraft engine that does not use a gas turbine. It's no gas turbine jet engine.